This video will be designed to show you the basic offerings that go along with your Google account at mlslions.org. If we open up our Google screen here, we are at www.google.com, and in the upper right hand corner we will go click Sign In. From there you'll put in your email address, which for me is acluck@mlslions.org. Obviously for you it will be the first initial of your first name and your last name at mlslions.org. We'll click Next, and then we'll put in our password and press Enter, and now we are signed in to our Google account. Up here where you see the square of 9 squares, if we go ahead and click, this gives us our basic apps that Google offers. There are many different ways to add additional apps as you grow in your Google knowledge through the Google sessions that are offered by our technology coordinator. We will start today by looking at Google Drive. I'll go ahead and click on Google Drive. And here we have open our basic Google Drive window. There is a tutorial in here that Google offers. I would encourage everyone to go through the tutorial. It tells you how to safe store your files, keep your files safe and accessible, easily organize your files, and just the basics on how to get started. Go ahead and click Take Me to Drive. From Google Drive, you can create many different types of documents that you and your students may need. This includes Google Docs, which is similar to Microsoft Word, Google Sheets, which is similar to Microsoft Excel, Google Slides, similar to Microsoft PowerPoint, as well as Google Forms, Google Drawings, and Google My Maps. Also down here at the bottom is a way to connect to more apps which would be available to you. This Google Drive section is very similar to Microsoft OneDrive, which we've used previously. It also is similar to our T drive and our private U drive that you may use here at Messiah. Basically, this is where all of your files are stored. If we create a new Google Doc, which, as I said, is similar to Microsoft Word, well, it'll immediately open up. I find the easiest thing to do for whether it's a document or a PowerPoint or a Google Slides, or for Google Sheets is let's name our document. So this would be test document number 1. Alright, once we'll come in here, we will create our document. So for example, we'll just type in, this is a test document for our Messiah Teacher Training Manual. Once the document is created, you have many different options. You can, of course, just come up top and exit out, and your document will be saved in your My Drive. You also can share your document. So if you wanted to work with a co-teacher to share your document, or if you wanted to share it to your personal Google account, or anyone else that you would like to be able to see it, if you click on Share, you can type in the name or email address of anyone to view your Google Doc. You have choices. You can allow the people who view your Google Doc to either edit your work, which means that they can type and change anything on your document. They can comment, in which there will be comments on the side of the document, or can view, which just means all they can do is see it. You also can click Get a Shareable Link, which will create a new link for your document that you would be able to post in your blogs or in a different email to your families. So once we go in here, enter an address, and I'm going to share this with my personal email address, and we'll say that I can edit and send it. And now it is shared with me. So if I logged into my regular Google account, I would be able to see it. Now, if we exit out of our Google Doc. We get back into our drive, and here is our test document that's been created. So we can keep our test document in just our basic My Drive, or if we want to organize our files, we can click New and create a new folder. From there, you will be able to create a new folder. So let's name this Test Documents Slides, etc. There's our new folder that we've created, and it comes up top here. We will click and drag our test document into our document folder, and now we're organized. So if we open up our folder, there's our document. To go back, we simply click on My Drive. That is the basics of Google Drive. If you have any questions, please come see me or your technology coordinator. Thank you.